Welcome back to Brazen Brits. We have an apology.
It really makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
It has been a while since we've posted a video. Certainly anything related to RVing. And we thought, well, first of all, thank you to everyone who's reached out. We've had a lot of emails, texts, messages of some kind asking if we're okay. And we are. And before we get into the reasons why we stopped posting, which is really nothing fancy, we thought we'd give you a little recap of where things started going wrong. May 2024. Jax is sick. It was May, right?
Yep.
Jax falls sick. He was our our dog. Turned out he had cancer. They couldn't figure out what type it was. So a few things, we could not travel during that time because he needed to be here. He was having weekly chemotherapy appointments. So cut a long story short, between May and October, Jax cost us many, many thousands of dollars. Even though we had insurance, there was a cap on the insurance. So he cost us many thousands of dollars. Not only that, he was having weekly chemotherapy. And so we kept up with that with the best of hopes, trying all these different things. And he actually passed away in October last year. Does not feel like over a year ago, but yes, it was October last year. So that was the first thing. The other thing is, during that time, we had a lot of time to think about what we wanted to do, and we decided to get a Class A. Before we got the Class A, because we knew we weren't traveling, we thought, okay, that's what we're going to do. So we sold our travel trailer, which was our Grand Design 312 BHTS with all the upgrades and everything. Loved it. I still miss it to this day. So we sold that with the best intentions of buying a Class A. We did go Class A shopping.
We did.
We even looked at Class C's. We did a whole bunch of test driving videos
Yeah.
and things. But with the cost of Jax, it just made things financially difficult unless we went for a very old, non-recommended Class A RV. So we were kind of waiting to build up a bit more money to buy something a bit better. And thank you to everyone for your help there. Anyway, so that brings us up to the end of 2024. We did buy a van.
Yeah.
So we sold the rig and we bought the van, and you've seen all the videos of that. It's been fun. We had to get the van ready because we were going to the CES show at the beginning of January. Now this is where things just get worse, because over Christmas we had family. My brother and his wife came over and they were helping us with the van. We think it was COVID, we're not sure, but whatever, it doesn't matter anyway. But we were both all four of us were extremely sick trying to get the van up together. That continued. We were sick all of January and most of February. We don't know whether it was the same thing or whether it came and went, but during that whole sickness time, we also drove to Vegas in the van in a couple of days, where the van broke down, or it broke down progressively on the way, which was the torque converter. We had a lot of issues. I can only thank our friends we were staying with in Vegas, because they put up with a lot of our complaining and sickness and things like that. To add to this, not only was the van breaking down, I got laid off from my job at the end of December, between Christmas and New Year. So you can tell by this point we're extremely sick. We've just lost our dog. I've just lost my job. And we're driving a broken van that is rattling consistently all the way to Vegas whilst dying of a sickness. Plus it was freezing cold, which we didn't expect it to be that cold. So not only that, but we're sleeping in this van in freezing cold because there was no heat other than the engine heat. Anyway, so that gets to that point. We then went to the RV rally, which was so much fun, even despite the hard time that we were going through. We went to the RV rally. Natalie eventually, after the rally, flew home. I drove the van back, where I nearly got arrested and deported by the customs officers. They were doing a checkpoint in Texas, and I didn't have my green card. There's another video around that. Anyway, it was one thing after the other. So eventually I got home. Natalie got home because she had to fly back
For the dogs.
For the dogs.
Yeah.
We did get a new puppy. We got Twix. But anyway, so this year we tried to film a few things. We did continue doing some stuff on the van, but honestly, it was just too much. and we did put a couple of videos out. They were more like vacation videos. They did not do well. I don't think anyone really wanted to see them. They were quite fun for us. We still like.
I was going to say that was for us.
It was, but I think with
we're going to see it or not. It's funny for me to look back on.
It is, but yeah, they didn't. Yeah, they weren't our normal, more interesting videos. We're not the best YouTubers in the world. No surprises there, but you know, we did that anyway. It just lost the fun. And it
was too hot to do any work on the van. We
was,
lost all motivation.
We lost all motivation, and I've always said that we will always stop the channel if we stop having fun. And so we did. We made the call. We stopped working on the van. There was a lot of reasons. One, I got a new job. Love it. Very, very busy though. I'm often working 12-hour days, so that just doesn't leave any space in the evenings. It means it's only weekends. And filming, editing, doing stuff, and then getting a video out, it's just too much for that. So anyway, so we kind of stopped. So
I threatened to do it, but Lawrence was like, no.
Yeah. No video is better than a Natalie edited video.
I tried.
Anyway, so essentially that brings us up to kind of now.
Finally got some cooler weather.
So we've got some cooler weather. I'm stable at work. Natalie has been working a lot as well. She's a fitness instructor. So if anyone is snowbirding in Florida this winter, Natalie is a fitness instructor for a few different places.
Anytime and YMCA. So come say hello.
Yep, so you can go there, and I think if you're over a certain age, you get it free or something.
That's a whole other conversation.
Okay,
but we did pop back to England in October to see, was your dad's and my dad's 80th?
Yep.
I best get this right because I said 85th and my dad was very angry.
They're definitely 80.
They were both 80 this year, so
both
we
80.
did pop back to England.
We did go back to England.
We had a nice meet up.
We did have a meet up. We didn't put it on the channel. We did invite a few people from the US who I thought would have the ability to fly over, but we just had rented out a small place and friends and family, and there was a couple of Braziers there as well. So that was nice. So we've done that. But honestly, since the beginning of the year, we've had family out. That's the videos that we put out. We've been back to the UK. We've done a few things. We haven't even touched the van. I haven't even finished the dog crates. Which brings us to now. So we've had our little break.
Yep.
We're back in it. We're enthusiastic. We're going to make some videos. This one's just a talky one, just to let you guys know. But
don't get too excited because we're away for Christmas. So we won't have a video out for them.
That's true. We are going away for Christmas for Natalie's birthday. But the other thing I just want to say is we did not really intend, when I said we made a call to stop making videos, that wasn't like, hey, I'm not making videos anymore for the next 6 months. No. It was, I don't have anything interesting to put out, we're not doing a video this week. And that just happened week after week after week. So this wasn't a conscious decision to just, dump everything and leave. It wasn't like that. It's just 1 week turned into two turned into three, blah, blah, blah. So yeah. So anyway, that's our apology. We feel bad about that. So anyway, so the only other things that happened this year, Opie's sick now.
We can't win.
So Opie is sick now.
Yes.
Very similar thing to Jack's. It's not cancer.
Autoimmune disease.
It's an autoimmune disease. We're working through that. So that's, again, another financial cost. Luckily, we have better insurance after experience with Jack's.
Yes.
So we have a higher
I'm still
insurance.
fighting them at the moment.
Still fighting. We still haven't had any money back, but we are fighting them for that, and we should get that money. So yeah, really, apart from that, it was we're just doing nothing. We've just been living life. I had to lose some weight because I was getting a little bit chunky, so I've been focusing on that. We're drinking less. Health. There was a couple of health things. Anyway, blah blah blah. All the same old crap. Everyone has to deal with all this stuff. So now we're back in it, and the reason why, partly because we feel refreshed, and I'm pretty excited to start editing videos again. But the other thing is, we are going to the RV United Rally in 2026 in February. And we need somewhere to stay, so we have to get the van up. We are also hoping to take the dogs, so we definitely want the dog crates in here. By the way, we'll put a link to the buy tickets. There's still some available now, so go ahead and get your tickets because we will be there. So anyway, so we are going to have to finish the van thing. Yep. The floor with the sticky floor that I put down, didn't work. It's not working. No. So people said this. Did I listen? No. Why are you using that, Lawrence? That's stupid. How about we see? And we have seen, and you were right, and I shouldn't have used that. So now we have to put a new floor in with stuff in here, so that's going to be a pain. But we have got the stuff for the ceiling.
Yes.
So that's kind of what we're thinking over the next couple of weeks. We're in the same place we were last year. We've had all year and done nothing, and now we're racing against time.
I think we
to
work
finish.
better under pressure, clearly.
We do. I think we do. Well, we'll find out again, won't we? As long as we're not sick. So, anyway, have I missed anything? I've just been rambling.
No, I think you're good. I think you've covered everything. We've explained our absence, and we hope to be back to it.
Yes. So I will be honest. It may not be weekly videos. We're still both very, very busy, and YouTube. We don't make money off YouTube, by the way. Like, we do this for fun. We make a little bit of money every now and then. If you use our Amazon links, we get a little kickback, but nothing is really life-changing. So we're consciously not prioritizing YouTube over real life stuff, especially on the financial side. So my job and our jobs
Thank you.
are more important than
My pennies that I bring in to
Yeah.
help is
So-
my little amount that I spend back on the dogs.
Yeah, exactly. So anyway, so that's the deal. So we
Yeah.
probably won't be putting videos out every single week, but we will put videos out when we think we have something interesting to share with you.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
That being said,
that being
we'll
said-
hopefully see you next week.
Yeah, we-
when we're actually doing something on the van.
yeah,
Yay!
might get one video and then a big break again because we are
Just
we are
torched
away
it
for
to the
a
ground at
week.
this point.
Anyway. All right, so I hope you understand. I hope this all made sense. Sorry for rambling on, but we have had a lot of people asking if we're okay and stuff, and we absolutely are. We're in a much better place than we were last year, so, and things are coming together. We are still looking for a Class A. We can't. I still don't think we're quite ready to buy one right yet. But if you know of anyone who's considering selling one, then we could be interested. So at least hit us up and give us first refusal. All right.
Cool.
Cool.
wrap
If
it up.
everything goes well, we'll see you next week. Maybe.